headed out to Kokopelli. We're really looking forward to a really nice day of sailing. The winds are feeling good. We got all our gear here. So we're just making a trip out of the boat. This is the first time we've been out to the boat since Hurricane Henri came by. And we were mildly underwhelmed by all of that, so that's great.
Yeah.
We're really looking forward to seeing Kokopelli again and taking her for a sail today.
Yay!
I'm making coffee.
Nice.
Some sausages.
Nice.
I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs.
Yay!
We're gonna have a little breakfast burrito.
I'm very excited.
I'm glad you are. Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, so we're just hoisting the dinghy here. Check that out. Getting ready for a sail. A little windy. Gonna practice dealing with a little bit higher winds than we usually have had. But here we are.
Everything's all unpacked from the hurricane. We have the motor going. Got the dinghy up.
We might leave the motor going a little bit.
Yeah.
Just to let it charge all the big batteries.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. Just need to unwrap this sail when we get out there, when we lift it. But I think we're gonna start out on a first reef. It's a bit windy today, but it's gonna be fun. We'll see some nice winds today. Cool Chinese junk up there. I think I'm getting it. Yeah,
I should have just did 2 cents for that.
that's pretty cool looking. Got a pretty good heel going.
7 knots over ground.
7 knots over ground. How's your first time sailing, Jace, on a big boat?
Pretty cool.
How'd you like the tacking of the jib after never working with a jib before?
I didn't quite understand how it works, but I do now.
Yeah, it looks weird, but then once you see how it happens, it works quite nicely.
Yeah.
So, we're just on a dinghy adventure. Seagulls! So we were hitting shells with a bottle. Can you make it up? And I accidentally let go of the bottle and it went flying. But we good now. Sick.
Plus one you've seen.
Oh, gotta make sure not to drop the phone in the water. That is not ideal.
Nope.
Any more crabs? I'm seeing movement in the grass.
How we doing, Jace?
Pretty good. I'm just worried about the legal size.
We'll have to check that.
Yeah, we'll check that when we get home.
Almost every line we get a crab.
Yeah.
It's a matter of putting them from the water.
Slower,
into the
Jace.
bucket.
Like, wicked slow. Got a bite? You got a bite?
So what do I do when I get a bite? Do I just keep going slow?
Yeah, keep on going slow, because there's no hook on this, unlike when you're fishing. And it's only muscle strength, so you just hold it on very slowly. Alright, I'll get the bucket, and we can try to get this one in. Right?
Yeah.
That's not where I want you to be.
There's some crab relocation going on in the dinghy right now.
Yeah!
Oh my
Oh!
goodness.
3?
Yep.
Thank
We're on the
you.
block.
Hi, crabs.
Yeah, they ripped each other's arms off.
Oh dear. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's
on
the cap. All right. Very good.
You put this over.
All right. Come aboard.
Whoa, whoa.
Ooh.
Ready?
Very
1, 2, 3.
pissed.
Let go.
Jeez.
Let go.
Here, just dip him in the water. Just, no, dip him in the cold water.
Cold shock it, you mean?
Yeah.
I need something to pull that over.
But he ripped the arm off. It's not on anymore.
So the tongue or
The
anything.
muscles are tensed. So you can't really.
There.
Oh, it's fine.
So we're killing
It
some of the
fixes-
crabs that we just got.
Well, they all fit.
Whoa.
Back up in.
Whoa.
Ooh. They all gonna fit?
I think so.
We'll see.
That one's not as angry as.
That one might be dead.
No, it moved.
No? No.
Seems if we just got some legs.
Oh, yeah.
Just getting cleaned up and ready to pack up and head home.